Now, we all know that insurance is a no-brainer, but why is it really a no-brainer? Well, the thinking behind it is that if something were to happen to, example, your car or your house, and you don't have the cash to repair or replace it at the time, insurance is there to cover you, right?
That's right. Well, for that cover, you make a reasonable monthly payment to your insurer. It sounds like the most sensible idea, and it is. Now, on behalf of our Expresso viewers, let's get a better picture of why and how it works.
There comes a time in everyone's life where mishaps affect us and those we love. What we need is protection to see us through the stormy times, but what do we as the consumers really know about insurance? Head of Standard Insurance Limited, Dr. Nolwandle Mbalo, is here to offer advice on how to protect your next and everything that matters to you. In most cases, our expenses after an accident, fire or damage at home are greater than our savings. Insurance is there to meet those expenses. Just look at this beautiful house.
Indeed, this is a beautiful house.
Considering that we pay for insurance cover for most of our lives, it's really important to know the ins and the outs when it comes to insurance. What is really important for us to protect?
The first part is really taking into account the valuable assets you've just acquired. You insure the structure of the property. And this actually looks in terms of the details around the bricks, the glass, as well as the boundaries of the structure.
Your premium, or how much you pay monthly to insure your home, depends on your risk profile. If you have security measures like an alarm system in place, it could reduce your risk and your premiums too. Of course, it can also work the opposite way. Now, looking around, what are some of the things that can be insured?
Well, first start is actually looking in terms of your immovable items. For example, your custom-made furniture, the beautiful table that you see here, including your TVs, your electrical equipment overall, but also including some of your movable items like your laptop, as well as your cell phone. The two items that I've just specified are important that you specify them in your policy, because the risk also there is higher than the items that are actually within your house.
When purchasing a new home, when is the right time to have it insured?
The right time is at the point of transfer of ownership. The minute you sign change of ownership from previous owner to you, you need to insure the structure of your property, because now it's in your name, it's your assets that you need to protect.
In some cases, like getting a home loan, insurance is compulsory. The question is which policy to choose. One which offers affordable protection and from a reputable company that will help you protect what matters most to you. Nolwandle, what should one keep in mind when looking for a short-term insurer?
Important question that you're asking, because for the consumer, you have to take into account relevance of the product to meet your needs. The second component in that relevance is actually the price. And more critical is the element, can the insurer deliver on their promise? It's also about the reputation of the insurer. You have to deal with a reputable insurer where you feel comfortable that you can easily access them.
As they say, knowledge is power, and that's exactly what I'm feeling thanks to Standard Insurance Limited, helping you protect your next.
Protect your next with Standard Insurance Limited. Get up to 20% cash back on your premiums. SMS Expresso to 31492 for a quote.